Way up at the North Pole, they got these things called polar bears. We ain't got none of those, but we do have a solar bear. His name's Beach Bear, so get your mittens together, folks.
You don't know how I feel. You never know how I feel. When I'm needing you to come around, you always try to put me down. Well, I know, girl, believe it when I say that you are someday gonna pay. Ha! It's alright, alright, girl. You're hurting me, it's alright. And now one day, oh, you'll see, you'll never find a guy like me who'll love you right, both day and night. You never have to worry, cause it's alright. What I'm telling you, girl, we'll both know it's true. I'm so mixed up over you. Oh, it's alright, girl. You put a hurt on me, it's alright. Oh yeah. Ha.
Sit back and enjoy our musical break.
It's alright, girl. Hey, it's alright. Oh boy, ain't it not good? Now everything I wanna say, you'll meet a guy that'll make you pay. He'll treat you bad, he'll make you sad, and you'll ruin the love you had. You'll ruin it. But I hate to say, I told you so, baby. You got to know it's alright, girl. You're paying now. It's alright. Goodbye, love. Goodbye, girl. You're paying now. But hey, it's alright. You hurt me once, I hurt me twice. But baby,